Oh my god!
Part of me does wonder whether we made a mistake today.
I think we're nearly there. Oh my god. Well, we live here now.
Oh. Today we're exploring two incredible waterfalls. You can see them from either Munduk or Ubud. It's about an hour away from each of those places in Bali. We're going to be seeing Nungnung and Leke Leke waterfall, two iconic and incredible waterfalls here in Bali. And if you stick around to the end of the vlog, we're going to show you a third place that's not a waterfall, but is an amazing spot that you can visit if you're visiting those in Bali anyway. Come with us.
This one required an early start because we want to get here when there's hardly anyone here and we've parked up, there's no other bikes, and we're ready to go and explore this waterfall.
Took us about an hour to get here from Ubud.
Yeah.
This is Nungnung waterfall and we've never been here before, but it looks incredible. It's supposed to be extremely powerful.
Yeah.
But there's a bit of a walk down.
Let's go.
There's around 400 steps to the bottom apparently. So we got a bit of a ways to go. We just started. Oh, it's about, is it about 7 AM?
Yeah.
We set off around 6 and it was a pretty cold drive just because of how early it was.
That's gonna change when we're climbing back up these steps.
Yeah, 100%.
You literally walk through the jungle and there's just steps everywhere. It's so cool.
Yeah, and in fairness, the drive to get here, we went through some pretty cool places.
Yeah.
Some really nice rice fields.
And some really nice Balinese villages.
Yeah.
So nice.
Okay. How many steps is that?
Maybe like 20.
Oh.
I'd like to think we're halfway down. You can really hear the waterfall in the distance, but whew, there's a lot of steps.
Yeah, I'm not sure we're quite halfway either. This isn't it.
It's so beautiful
But
though.
it's still really cool.
I love this waterfall. You really feel like you're like in the jungle. It's so cool.
And if that's not even it, that's a good sign for the real thing.
I'm excited for this. Are you excited? We've never seen Nungnung before, so this will be a first glimpse. Wow! Oh my god! It's so powerful!
Watch the step.
Wow! I don't even know how to describe it. I feel like wow. This was 100% worth the climb down because this waterfall is amazing and we'll show you how beautiful it is.
This is awesome. This place is really incredible. Danielle wanted us to quickly get some pictures for Instagram while no one was around. So we finished with that and now we'll show you around.
It's a little bit of a rock walk, but it seems safe enough. They're not really slippy, so let's go over to this rock because it looks like a beautiful view of the waterfall. How beautiful is this?
This is definitely one of the best waterfalls you can see in Bali.
Yeah.
It's so powerful, so impressive.
And it's surrounded by so much beauty. I just love it here. What's really cool is you can see all the powerful spray the waterfall gives off at the bottom. And I don't know if I've seen this before, but the waterfall is so powerful, it actually makes waves in the water below, which is so cool. there, but I think it could be one of my... It's top 3 waterfalls in Bali. It's hard to say a favourite. It's hard to say a favourite, but top 3, absolutely. It's so beautiful.
One final question. Is it worth having to walk back up them stairs now?
I forgot about the stairs. Oh no. Well, we live here now, so
yeah,
we'll see you.
We'll see you when you come.
Yeah, walking back up the stairs is something I'm not looking forward to, but you know, come visit our house.
Yeah.
We live at Nungnung.
We are actually going to head back up now. It's going to be long. Steps are really steep. We do have another waterfall up next, which is Leke Leke, and that one is also popular. We're hoping that we made the right choice of coming here first and that there won't be that many people there by the time we get there, but it's about 30 minutes away. It's a bit of a leg burner, that one. Still got that to go. And the rest of the steps. Is it still worth it?
It's still worth it. Just keep asking me that on the way up.
Let's go.
I think we're nearly there. Oh my god. It feels like it was more steps up than it was going down.
You can just hear me wheezing in the background.
I also see a Matt wheezing just behind.
This is a real leg burner.
Yeah, it really is.
Oh, the steps are so steep.
And there's so many of them.
Yeah.
But still worth it for me.
Yeah.
What do you think?
I'm not coming tomorrow. Drink and snack break.
We need it.
Oh.
We have arrived at Leke Leke and we've just parked up. There is quite a few people here already and it's 10 to 10, so if you do want the place to yourself or you want it a little bit quieter, we would recommend coming probably before 9 AM or 8 AM, something like that. I do remember this one is a little bit more expensive. It's I think 50k per person to get in, so I'll double check with Matt. But it's a beautiful waterfall regardless. You're going to want to see this one.
That is made from curcuma.
You get a welcome drink.
Good for your stomach, also for immune system.
Oh, that's nice.
Isn't
You
it
like
jam?
that?
We had the jamu before.
Yes,
So
that's
jamu?
we call jamu.
Jamu, yeah.
Nice.
Thank you.
Nice.
Mawali.
I was right, it was 50k per person entry, but you do get a jamu drink.
Yeah, nice welcome drink.
Yeah.
They do have to obviously give you something to make it a little bit more worthwhile, I guess.
Yeah.
Sama
Morning,
pagi.
Pagi. Sama.
Thank you.
Thank you.
I think this one's going to be quite busy now. We would have liked to have got here earlier, but
Nungnung was worth it, in my opinion.
yeah, it definitely was. That
It really was.
super impressive and really amazing.
We're going to go on the trail and show you the walk there.
We're getting closer now. Oh, there's just so many steps though. At least these aren't as steep as Nungnung.
Yeah.
That is one good thing. It's a pretty nice path. Once you get past the steps, it is like really through the jungle. There's these kind of cobbled path. Don't slip.
And look at these beautiful flowers.
Yeah, they are really nice.
These are so beautiful. How beautiful is it here? I can see it, look.
Oh yeah, see?
Oh. We actually,
is
it's
super
actually not a
nice.
bad track, it's just a few steps, which after Nungnung is pretty intense. We're here, look how beautiful it is.
Unlike Nungnung, we don't have this one basically to ourselves. We do have to share it with a few people, but not so many, I guess. There's probably like less than 10 people here, but it's a very small space at the bottom and everyone wants to get a picture up on that rock, so everyone's got to kind of take their turn. We've been here a couple of years ago, so we've actually already got that photo, so we don't need to worry about that. We're just going to enjoy it and show you guys this incredible, beautiful waterfall. Of course, at this point, Danielle decided she did want the photos. It's so impressive.
It really is so beautiful.
More steps. It is a very beautiful waterfall, but part of me does wonder whether we made a mistake today, which is whether we could have come here first thing in the morning instead of Nungnung, had this all to ourselves, and then maybe Nungnung isn't quite as popular and we would have still got there and had it be to ourselves or pretty quiet.
Yeah.
But I understand Danielle really wanted to come to Nungnung.
Nungnung is like somewhere that we've never been and we absolutely loved it.
And it is the best one, so yeah. Was it right to go there first and see the best one and have it to ourselves, or to come here? Who knows? Either way, we saw two amazing waterfalls today.
Yeah.
And now we're going to take you to another spot. It's not a waterfall, but it's somewhere, if you're visiting either of these, that you should still go and see.
We have made it to our third stop of the day. We're at Jatiluwih rice terraces, and I was surprised that it was a little bit more expensive than we thought to get in. It's 50,000 per person, even just to drive through the road. I guess the only route really is to the rice terraces, but it is an UNESCO World Heritage Site, so can you blame them? Because it's so beautiful here. Even just sat at this cafe, we're having a coffee because we definitely need it, but look at these views.
We finished our coffees and there are some little walking trails here as well. So we're just going to go on a small walk. Legs are pretty done in from those waterfalls, so not a big one, but it'll be nice to just take a little stroll through the rice fields. As you can see, it's stunning here. The scenery is incredible. There's not that many places in Bali where you get this kind of long view, especially of the rice fields. And it's really nice knowing that the money that you spend to get here, coming into the village, and whether you drive around or walk around, actually goes towards the community. It goes towards the maintenance of these incredible rice fields and making sure that they stay a heritage site so that it can stay this green, this amazing, and we think that that is money well spent.
Every video and photo I've taken of this place does not do it justice because it really is so beautiful. This needs to be seen with the eyes.
Oh my god.
We just saw a green lizard climbing a tree. This is such a lovely way to end the morning because it's been busy. We've done a lot of steps.
We've fit a lot in for sure.
But this is so beautiful. I love it here.
And I don't know if you can hear, but just the sound of the running water next to where you walk is just the icing on the cake. We hope that you've enjoyed joining us today as we explored two incredible waterfalls.
Yeah, so good.
So beautiful. And Nungnung has made it into our top 3 waterfalls in Bali.
That's a big statement as well.
Big. It now sits up there with Sikumpul, which is the tallest waterfall, and Banyamala, which is our personal favourite.
I love it.
If you want to see more on them, you can do that right here.
If you want to see more incredible waterfalls in and around Ubud, you need to check out this video.
And we'll see you next week.
See you next week.